Oh, this summer package came in from Victoria Beckham Beauty. Packaged very well. We got this note here. Kind of cute. Cute packaging. It even comes with this pouch. On camera, get it? So this is what it looks like. Like the shadow stick. Okay. Oh, this one is not good. This one is broken. It just came off. So it's kind of like, so these are Victoria Beckham solid. There you go, like this. Yes, ash. So this is here. That's where the smudge side is gonna be at. The ash is more like gray.